In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your files accessible offline here in the Google Sheets app, both on your iPhone and Android. So right now I have my Sheets app open here on my iPhone. So whatever procedure or whatever method I use right here, it would be the same when you do it on the Android. So if you want to work on a file or a spreadsheet, even without internet access, you can do that by making your files available offline. Now, there are two ways to do it. First way would be if you are on the Sheets app interface once you've just opened it and you have all the files right here. All you have to do would be to tap on the bottom right corner of each file, this one right here, this ellipsis. There you go, which will show you a lot of options. And one of those options would be to make this file available offline. So there it is. We're just going to tap on it, and there you have it. We have just made that file available offline. Now, another way to do this would be if you already have a file open. Let's just open this one. There we go. And I'm going to go to the top right corner and tap on the same ellipsis. There you have it. And it will show you that now this file is already available offline. So if this was turned off, this is what it's going to look like. And if you want to turn it on, just tap on it. Go back and you'll see that it's already available offline. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. You can make your files accessible offline here in the Google Sheets app, both on the iPhone and the Android. So do the same thing with your Android, whether that's on a grid view or a list view. That's just the ellipsis at the right side. Tap on it and it will give you the same options. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.